Hi, this is our sound text for grade 2 and 3. Hit the drum. Clap your hands. Sing out loud. Start a vibration. Sound is vibration. To move rapidly back and forth is to vibrate. Sounds come from many things. Your shoe tapping against the floor. Air blowing across your vocal cords. Guitar's string sole. Raindrops on the window. Crickets rasping legs. Dogs bark. Cats meow. Vibrations all around. Sound. Vibrating source beats on the air. Though the air looks empty, there's lots of atoms in there. Let's take, for example, a vibrating drum. The air around the drum quickly begins to hum. The vibrations in the air match the vibrations of the drum. Imagining vibrations all around is kind of fun. In a fraction of a second, sound reaches your ear. There's nothing to fear. For this you have an ear. Outer ear funnels vibrating air to the stretched skin eardrum. 3 bones in the middle ear magnify the vibrations 20 times to the small oval window of the inner ear, where the sensory hairs make a vibrating electric signal, which immediately goes up the ear's sensory nerve to the brain. When the sound's vibrating electric signal reaches the brain, you make sense of it, interpret it. You dance and sing. Vibrating source to vibrating air to vibrating ear to a vibrating electric signal you can hear. Sound. It's all around. Get down now. Sound. It's all around.